of £22,000. 22 grand.
Hang on, the car wasn't.
I know, it's worth like 19,000. Anyway, what are we up to?
Right, now, I get to minus 20... no, that's you, Jeremy, you're on minus 28. I'm on minus 20 in my Ferrari. And, James, you lost another 45 there. I'm on minus...
He's on minus 99.
Minus 99, James?
Well done, James. Quite frankly, you'd have done better if you hadn't bought a car. Now, we've got to move it on. We'll pick this up later, as I said, but for now, we've got to put a star in our reasonably priced car. And for me, she is just the biggest star in the firmament. She's a goddess. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ellen MacArthur! Oh, this is... My life is complete. Look, every week since this new type of Top Gear started, every week I've said, we've got Ellen MacArthur on this week, and every week, no, we haven't. You're always on a boat.
It's a problem.
I mean, even this week, where have you been?
I just got back from Brazil, just on a race over there from France. Finished about a week ago.
You've got the world record now, fastest person ever to sail around the world. And obviously, we've all seen those things on TV, and we've all read the books. Well, I've read them just... The thing is I want to talk about the Southern Oceans, OK? How big are they?
They're endless, I think the easy way to say it, because they go round and round the bottom of the Earth. So
the wind does?
The wind, the weather, the waves, everything. Because in the Northern Hemisphere, where we are, there's land mass.
Yeah.
And the storms are stopped by the land mass. But in the Southern Ocean, there's nothing to stop the storms. They just roll round and round, so the waves get bigger and bigger and bigger. It's incredible.
So how big?
How big? Twice the height of the studio, I reckon.
Well, that's what? No, it's more than 30, 60 feet?
60 feet, yeah, I'd say 60 feet. And they're very, very long, so they're big, but it's like going down mountains, but quite kind of rolling mountains, and then suddenly you'll get a really steep one, and they're the ones to watch out for.
Because you just
go down.
Nose dive straight in.
Which in the daytime is not too bad, because obviously you can see where you're going, but at night time, you can't see anything.
And the sea, of course, is constantly changing. There's no sense of rhythm, is there? There's no sense of, like, I'm used to this now, because any minute now you could have a really huge wave.
Yeah, there are definitely freak waves, and you do feel those, and you hear them, the force that they hit the boat. But also, with a multi-hull, it's harder. The B&Q, the boat I took around the world, has 3 hulls. So it's like having, like a car having 6 wheels. You know, something could hit any one of those 6 wheels, and it would be affected by it, and it's just the same with the boat. So you can never really predict what the boat's going to do. You know, sometimes she's about to go, and then suddenly the other hull gets hit. And it's very, very violent, the motion.
And you don't even get any sleep, do you, on these massive voyages? Well, not really what I'd call a good 8 hours, you know.